Hi guys, and welcome back. It is cold today. It got down to about 51 last night, and it still feels like it's 51 right now. And this sun cannot come up over the house fast enough. Oh, it's just cold to me. So I have a couple of projects that I am going to be working on, but for today I have to overwinter my peppers. Well, this is some of my peppers. So I have these jalapenos here. Right there in the middle of the screen, there are bell peppers, more bell peppers, and there are also bell peppers down here. It's very cluttered, so you can't really tell maybe, but there are several different types of things down here, mostly just peppers. So I'm going to clean this out. I will soon be harvesting the sweet potatoes before it gets really freezing. And I'm going to clean this out mostly. Probably going to leave this area here because I recently planted some seeds down there, direct sowed some seeds. So I'm going to leave this area here, but I'm definitely going up there. I'm getting up under that soil because I should have some potatoes up there, white potatoes, and I am definitely overwintering these peppers here. So I only have a few small peppers here, so I'm going to remove the small peppers and throw them into just a few on the smaller side. This thing is still giving us a little bit of peppers, so we're not going to take them for granted. That one is an okay size, so we're not going to take those for granted. We're going to put them into, make some pepper sauce with them. All right, and I think that's it. But there's one more down there. And now what I'm going to do to these plants is I'm just going to remove everything, all of the leaves, and then I'm going to show you where I cut in order to overwinter the peppers. So now I want to remove everything from the top of this plant. I want to remove all the flowers, all the leaves, everything that's still on the top of this plant. I want it gone. I'm even going to take that off down there. I'm literally going to have a stick when I'm done with this. And this is multiple plants in one. And that's another thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to separate them when I dig them up. All right, and so this is what I wanted. I wanted to get down to, you see this V right here? That's what I want it to get down to. That's all I'm going to leave. on that plant, okay? That one down there, cutting it off. So everything comes off. These shears suck. I can't find my other pair, my better pair. Okay. So I'm literally removing all of that just to leave this one V right there on the plant. That's what I do when I'm overwintering my peppers, is I'm just going to leave it right there at that V, okay? And then up here, there's my V. On that particular branch. Okay. And that one is a little bit different. I'm going to leave that one just like this. Just like that. Okay. And then there's one more down here. I have these clustered, and they never should have been clustered. They probably would have grown a lot faster also if they had not been clustered like that. But I'm just taking all of that off. And basically I have a bare root plant. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 plants there. And I'm just going to take them and put them in some soil. And my reason for removing everything from this plant is that I want the energy to go into maintaining this root system here. I don't want this plant during the cold months to be trying to focus on keeping leaves on it. I want to make sure that all the energy is going into the root system of this plant, which is going to make this plant explode come springtime. And I'm always testing things, just testing theories on things, because I feel like I learn the most when I do it that way. So this particular bell pepper right here, you see it's starting to try to get some bell peppers on it, but you know, it's cold. It's cold, so it's not going to do much past that right now that it is cold. So I'm going to take this plant here and I am going to leave all of the leaves on it and then just compare the two come next spring to just see what difference is made when you leave the leaves on, leave the fruit on, versus bare rooting the plant and then seeing which one actually produces the best. So I'll just take some soil. This is regular topsoil here. And gosh, there is a pair of lizards mating in my bag of perlite. Can y'all see them? I don't know what I'm gonna do about that. But I want to make sure that I have plenty of perlite in this soil. Alright, and I'm just going to add this entire thing to the pot. Bury the roots. It has some nice lovely rich soil and such under there. Earthworms are in there along with it. Alright, pushing it down in there. And then I'm going to chop some leaves, some of the leaves from here, and I'm going to cover this bottom of the plant. And that is the way that I overwinter my peppers. I hope that was helpful to somebody. And if you have not subscribed, please do so. And I will see you guys on the next video.